Bee populations have been rapidly declining around the world thanks to climate change, urbanization, and the destruction of natural habitats. These human-made changes disrupt bees' nesting behaviors and lead to other problems such as colony collapse disorder. This is bad for bees and also the planet. Bees play an extremely important role in balancing our ecosystem, supporting food security, and pollinating urban plants and gardens. And for the past 10 years, MaRS, in the heart of downtown Toronto, has kept beehives on its roof to support local sustainability.
My name is Andy Lam. I'm the program manager for the Mission from Mars Climate Impact Challenge. I'm also part of the MaRS Bee Committee. So the Bee Committee is a sustainability initiative made up of MaRS employees or volunteers, and we essentially take care of the beehives sitting on the MaRS roof. The goal of the project was to help build awareness around not just honeybees, but pollinators in general, and the importance that pollinators have to our ecosystem, and also have some sort of positive environmental impact. So bees are important to almost every aspect of the ecosystem. A third of every spoonful that humans consume are actually pollinated by bees.
The goal of the project is to help build awareness around the importance of honeybees and other pollinating species, as well as to create a positive environmental impact in Toronto's core.
There's 2 hives sitting right on the roof overlooking the north side. Bees actually, they have a radius of up to 5 kilometers that they can fly to forage food. That actually covers all of Queen's Park, which is pretty much northwest of us.
Throughout the spring and summer, volunteers check on the bees to ensure that the hives are doing well. And after a long summer of pollinating Queen's Park and surrounding areas, their hives begin to overflow with honey.
Today we're back at the MaRS Center. It's September, and we're doing our honey harvest. So today we went up to the roof, opened up the hives, pulled out the honey frames, brought them downstairs to the MaRS auditorium, threw in the centrifuge, spun the frames in the centrifuge, filtered the honey, got rid of any excess wax, and then we jarred them. So yeah, today was definitely a long day. We've been doing this since 9 a.m. It's 6 p.m. and we're still not done. But really the hard workers are the bees. They've been doing this since spring. So it's gonna be nice to give them a break as we're going into the winter and get ready for the next year.
The MaRS Bee Committee is careful to only take the excess honey from the hives, so that the bees are left with enough food to survive the cold Canadian winters.
I work in the climate space now, right, is knowing all the different impacts there is to our food security. The idea of not being able to feed our children's children years from now scares me. Bees are a part of that equation, right, which is why protecting the bee population is so important today and tomorrow.